Okay, this is the point of the lesson I've been really waiting for here, to get a chance to show you why you're doing all this. We're going to take your tune, the major 7th CFBE page, and I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to record some parts here. I'm going to show you why you're doing all these, learning all these elements, the triads, learning the thirds and the fifths and all. We're going to start off, first of all, I'm going to play a little bossa nova beat on this keyboard. I'm going to record in with a bass playing the 1 and the 5. Remember the 5 from the triads? Listen to this. Okay, we're going to have one beat, one bar out front. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5, 1, 5. 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. 1, 5, 1. Okay, there you have it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some chords in here, and I'm going to play the actual melody to the tune. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to put the chords in first. Okay. The chords, play electric piano over what we just played here. Okay. Listen. And within the chord here, I'm going to be having the 1/7 on the left hand, and some other things on the right hand, but we'll be including the thirds, and from the harmonies. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't that great? Now, we added that. We're going to add in one more thing now. I'm going to play, let me play the melody with a trumpet, okay? I'm going to play the melody of the song here. Again, I'm going to be using let's do it with a flute. How about a flute? A flute would be really nice. Yeah, a flute would be nice. Where's the flute? 073, okay? Now, listen to this. I'm going to play the melody of the song, counting now those whole notes, which we've learned in our lessons. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third line, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're going to do, let's add another part, and we're going to play on some strings. And I'm going to play in the strings, I'm going to play the thirds of the chords, okay? And watch how pretty that will set over this whole thing. Watch this. Here we go. So there you have it. We're working on many things here. We're reading the notes, which is very important. We're reading whole notes, which is a part of the whole process here. We're looking at some, in the chordal pattern studies we're doing, or our triads, we're looking at the fives, the roots, then the thirds we're doing in the strings. The scales are working on our technique to be able to have the facility to play around here a little bit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play a little bit of an ideas over this whole package with a trumpet that will sit up above this whole thing. Okay? And again, this is all improvisationally speaking. I'm just making this all up. Okay, we got 1, 2, here we go. So now we have the whole package here. We can listen to it back. We have, and I'm playing all those notes to fit. They're all being played to fit within with the whole package. And of course, there's a lot of layers going on there, and we can even be more specific down the road with more of arrangement kind of thing. But that gives you a really good feel for what this can do for you. Okay, so practice, enjoy it. Great little tune at the entry level of playing. Pretty nice. Enjoy it.